Jolly Harbor. Look at this on a beautiful day. I just wanted to show you something. I'm working on replacing some cushions. See this? Yes. Let me show you this mess is. So these are cushions from the back of down along the galley. You can see they had some big wear and tear. So I was trying to find this material. We did find some, but definitely not as thick as that. So I'm stitching all out here. What I'm gonna do is, because the zipper is pretty good here, and I didn't find the thickness of this, I'm gonna layer another 2 pieces over top of the lighter one. Removing all these Velcro pieces since I didn't bring any, and I didn't bring steam machine where I could fuse the other 2 together and fuse it onto this. So I am going to quilt this, and hopefully, so you can see I'm just up here leaving it there. Basically I'm going to stitch over the other pieces onto here and then quilt it cross grid here, attach these again, and then just put this whole piece back into place, hoping that this will work. We'll see. I'll show you the end of it. It's pretty, lots of wear and tear. It's incredible what cushions go through here. Like, it's just frayed all here, and the one I have is much thinner than that. So I'll clean this up and attach these again, and what better way to do this than out here in the sunshine. I'm going to show you this very shortly. Working on a couple of those, probably about 3, and really keep my fingers crossed that this sewing machine will work. She's been acting up last year, but this year she knew better. She's going to be a boat anchor otherwise. So bye for now. I'll show it to you later. See ya.